Do you have WeatherTech floor mats that no matter what you try and clean them with, they still look dull, dingy, and sometimes still look dirty? You've basically tried every big box store cleaner on the shelf and nothing seems to work? My name is Ron Atchison, and I'm going to show you two products from Autoforge.net that will revive your WeatherTech floor mats to like new condition. First one being McKee's 37 floor mat and cargo liner Rejuvenator, and Koch-Chemie Gummifix. So let me take you outside. I've got a couple of really dirty WeatherTech mats, and I'll show you how we'll make them look like brand spanking new. All right, so to clean up these floor mats is very simple and straightforward. I like to use two different brushes. This brush is quite a bit stiffer. I find that using a stiff brush oftentimes doesn't get in all the fine texture of the floor mat. So I like to use the stiff brush for the initial scrubbing. Then I come back behind with a softer brush. This is our cargo floor mat brush. And what this brush does, by it being a softer bristle, it gets down into the textured surfaces and cleans a lot better. So you simply want to take your floor mat, rinse off any loose debris, rocks, sand, all that kind of stuff. Get all that off of there. Take your floor mat and cargo Rejuvenator, put a nice liberal coat of that on there. We're going to start off with the stiff brush so we can get the heavy stuff off. You can see the cleaner foams up nicely. Now we're going to come back behind with our soft brush, get it wet a little bit, add just a couple more squirts of cleaner. Now it's going to get down in all the fine nooks and crannies that the stiffer brush was missing. That's it. We'll go ahead and rinse that off. Now, before we can apply the Gummifix, this floor mat needs to be 100% dry. So we'll give this a chance to dry off, and I'll come back and show you how to apply the Gummifix. All right, so here's the floor mat all dried out. As you can see, it actually looks pretty darn good, just like it is. The McKee's 37 floor mat and cargo Rejuvenator actually helps bring back some of the factory look all on its own. But to kick it up a notch, we're going to go ahead and apply the Koch-Chemie Gummifix. It's a very simple product to use. Simply put it onto your applicator. It's a very thin product. You can use it like this, or you can use a microfiber applicator, or you can actually put it into a spray bottle if you want and spray the product on. But as you can see, it instantly makes the floor mat nice and black again. Simply work the product into the floor mat. When using the product, you'll notice that it has an alcohol smell to it, which makes the product evaporate and dry pretty quickly. So it's not like this is something you're going to put on your floor mats and you're not going to be able to drive the car for an hour or anything like that. In just a matter of minutes, the product's nice and dry and you're ready to go. Bring you in closer so you can see what the product looks like. You can see where it's made it a nice, rich, deep black versus this side, which actually doesn't look all that bad really, compared to what we started with. Very quick and easy way to make your WeatherTech mats look like brand new. So that was McKee's 37 floor mat and cargo rejuvenator and Koch-Chemie Gummifix. Take your WeatherTech floor mats from zero to hero in just a matter of a couple of minutes. Hope you found the video informative. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can find both of these products at autoforge.net. This is Ron Atchison. Thanks for watching.